Taken out, Casey Stoner. This one's going to rumble and rumble on afterwards because that was from a long way back. Down he went and he cleared Stoner after.
No problem.
They collided! How many?
Lorenzo and the corner named after him on Saturday morning. Mark champion, Jorge Lorenzo.
Lorenzo and Pedrosa on the inside, stripped wide. Lorenzo goes wide as well. Lorenzo then cuts back over, closes the door. That was putting it back with Pedrosa. Pedrosa's just so far leaned off that bike. Back on his left hip, on the right wrist as well, his right hip.